Hey guys, how's it going? Today I got two unboxings for you. The first one is the Sony WF-1000XM3 wireless noise cancelling earbuds, and I've been waiting for these for quite a while. They were on back order for a while. I actually got them from Best Buy because Amazon had them like sold out for like a few months, right? So they've been really popular. If you look on YouTube, there's been a lot of reviews on this one, and it's been a really popular set of wireless earbuds. I think one of the top two in the market right now. So wireless earbuds are really popular. You have the Klipsch makes one, and then you got obviously AirPods are the ones that kind of started this trend. But yeah, Klipsch makes one, Master Dynamic, Bang & Olufsen. The top two, at least when I looked at the online reviews, seem to be the Sony's and the Sennheiser True Momentum, or Momentum True Wireless. And I was deciding between the two because they're around the same price point, around 300 bucks, which is a really premium price point. And at that price point, the Sony gives you noise canceling, and so far these are the only noise canceling, see noise canceling right now, the only noise canceling wireless earbuds on the market. The Sennheisers have water resistance and supposedly have a slightly better sound, but the Sonys come pretty close in sound quality while providing noise canceling. Not water resistance though, but I think I'd rather have noise cancelling than water resistance, so that's why I went for the Sonys. Also because I'm kind of a Sony fanboy. I already have their older version, the WF-1000XM1s. These just jumped straight to 3s because there was no 2. This is to match up their branding with their over-ear headphones, so I have the over-ears as well, the WH-1000XM3s. And these are also really popular and really nice as well. They provide really good sound quality, and their noise cancelling technology is comparable to Bose, and while sounding much better than Bose. So I think these are one of the most popular over-ear headphones right now, the WH-1000XM3s. And then these ones, the wireless earbuds, seem to be amongst the most popular wireless earbuds on the market right now. So good job Sony for hitting these out of the park. The noise cancellation technology has been improving, you know, for a while now, and Sony has really stepped up their game. Like, you would think that Bose would have made the best noise cancelling wireless earbuds, but they haven't. It's Sony, so that's kind of surprising, I guess, that Sony would be the ones to make the premium noise cancelling wireless earbuds on the market. But yeah, these ones has, you know, all these Sony proprietary technologies here, upsampling your low resolution MP3s into high res files and stuff like that. Basically same things as the WH-1000XM3s. It does the same thing, you know, Bluetooth, wireless noise cancelling, Google Assistant, same thing except in wireless earbud form. Right, Google Assistant, you get 6 hours, which is definitely less battery life, but that's expected given the size of these things, right? You don't expect wireless earbuds to have great battery life. They just, the form factor and stuff, you just can't fit that much battery inside of it. Anyways, let's see what we get in the box here. You get a really nice looking case, and this is another factor when I was looking at the Sennheiser Momentum Wireless. I liked the Sony case better. It just looks more premium. I mean, yeah, this is the case for that. I also have the older version, the 1000XM1s, so just to show you guys, this is the first version. XM1s, which came out last year, I believe, or yeah, these came out maybe last year, and then XM3s came out this year. So anyways, this is the first version, which is already noise cancelling as well. These were the first noise cancelling ones, and Sony was already pretty ahead of the game. And you can buy these really cheap right now for like 60 bucks on eBay. These ones premium 300 bucks on back order because they're so popular. So I hope these are worth the upgrade over this one, right? If you just want like a nice set of noise cancelling earbuds, you don't want to wait a few months for your order to come in on Amazon, you don't want to spend 300 bucks. Get the first version. The first versions are also pretty nice, and you can find them really cheaply on eBay. Anyways, second version, you can tell the case looks a bit better in my opinion. It looks smaller actually. It is smaller, yeah. It's smaller and looks very classy. I like the gold and grayish color scheme. It's pretty nice. And then you got the charging here, just like you did before, in a smaller kind of case. So I like the case better. It looks better than the Sennheisers. That's another reason I went for the Sonys. And then of course you have these two dual, come on, there. The two dual noise canceling wireless earbuds. Yeah. And they look very kind of similar to the old versions as well. Yeah, they're pretty similar to the old versions. I actually think the old versions might look slightly better actually. I mean, the old versions look pretty good to begin with. The new ones don't have as, you know, that kind of metally look on the outside. But I think it is to match the aesthetic of their over-ear headphones, like I said. But they look pretty good. I'll have to, you know, test them out. I can't really show you guys because they're, you know, earbuds, so I can't show you guys in the video exactly what they sound like. They should support high-res audio codecs, you know, LDAC, because that's a Sony wireless audio codec. Oh, you have to download the app to connect. Okay, so download the app, Sony Headphones Connect, and I guess you can use the app to adjust some equalizer settings and stuff like that. It should be pretty good. And then it comes with a manual, of course. This is a quick start guide, I guess. Yeah, limited warranty. Okay. So it comes with your standard stuff, and then it comes with a whole bunch of ear tips on top of that. So these are a lot of ear tips. You get 6 pairs of ear tips here. 12 ear tips in total, 6 pairs. So that's pretty nice. They give you all these ear tips. That's more than what most companies give you. Most companies just give you like 2 or 3. And then you get the charger here, which is your standard USB-C charger, which is great because everyone should be using USB-C for all their devices. Unfortunately, my Astell and Kern DAP, my SR15s, they still use micro USB. So Astell and Kern, you guys are still lagging behind, but everything else I have is using USB-C now. My laptop's using it. My headphones are all using it. Now my wireless earbuds are using it too. And you know, Nintendo Switch, everything else uses USB-C, so everything should be using USB-C from now on. Okay guys, anyways, that is the Sony WF-1000X noise canceling wireless earbuds, and well, these ones go in here. I guess they charge like that. Alright, see how cute they look in the case? Now they're charging, and they say what, 6 hours of battery life. So it's pretty impressive considering these can be noise canceling as well, right? The original version also noise canceling, but these versions should sound a bit better since they're the next generation, right? The case is smaller for sure. I'll have to test it to see if it actually does sound better, and both of these support Google Assistant already. So yeah, like I said, if you guys just want like a nice pair, this one's just micro USB. If you guys just want like a cheaper pair noise canceling wireless earbuds that still sound pretty good, check out these ones. They're only like 60 bucks on eBay. Otherwise, the newest, greatest model, the WF-1000XM3s, you can get them for 300 bucks, but it's like really, really popular and hard to get right now. But I finally got them, so yeah.